Rafael Nadal Pereira, first Marquis of Levante de Mallorca, born the 3rd of June 1986, is a Spanish former professional tennis player. He was ranked as the world No. 1 in men's singles by the Association of Tennis Professionals (ATP) for 209 weeks and finished as the year-end No. 1 5 times. Nadal won 92 ATP Tour singles titles, with 22 major titles including a record 14 French Open titles, as well as 36 Masters titles and an Olympic gold medal. Nadal is one of 3 men to complete the career Golden Slam in singles. His 81 consecutive wins on clay constitute the longest singles surface win streak in the Open era. For nearly 2 decades, Nadal was a leading figure in men's tennis, alongside Roger Federer and Novak Djokovic, collectively known as the Big Three, early in his career. Nadal became one of the most successful teenagers in ATP Tour history, reaching No. 2 in the world and winning 16 titles before turning 20, including his first major title at the 2005 French Open. Nadal became the world No. 1 for the first time in 2008 after defeating Federer in a historic Wimbledon final, his first major championship off clay, which he followed with an Olympic singles gold at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Defeating Djokovic in the 2010 US Open final, Nadal became the then youngest man in the Open era to complete a career Grand Slam at 24, and the first man to win majors on 3 different surfaces in the same year. Nadal won major singles titles in 10 consecutive years from 2005 to 2014, and again in a 4-year span from 2017 to 2020. He also won 11 doubles titles during his career, including an Olympic gold medal at the 2016 Rio Olympics. At the 2022 Australian Open, Nadal surpassed his joint record with Djokovic and Federer for the most Grand Slam men's singles titles and became one of 4 men in history to complete the double career Grand Slam in singles. Nadal retired from the sport after playing for Spain in the 2024 Davis Cup Finals. As a left-handed player, one of Nadal's main strengths was his forehand, delivered with heavy topspin. He frequently ranked among the tour leaders in return games, return points, and break points won. His game was especially well suited for clay courts, on which came 63 of his 90 singles titles. Nadal won the Stefan Edberg Sportsmanship Award 5 times and was the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year in 2011 and 2021. He was named one of Time's 100 most influential people in the world twice in 2009 and 2022, representing Spain. He won 2 Olympic gold medals and led the nation to 5 Davis Cup titles. Nadal has also opened a tennis academy in Mallorca and is an active philanthropist. Nadal was created Marquis of Levant de Mallorca in 2025 by King Felipe VI of Spain. Rafael Nadal Pereira was born on the 3rd of June, 1986 in Manacor on the island of Mallorca, Spain, to Ana Maria Pereira Femenias and Sebastian Nadal Homar. His father is a businessman who owns an insurance company, a glass and window company, and a restaurant. His mother owned a perfume shop but gave it up to raise Nadal and his younger sister, Maria Isabel. One of his uncles, Miguel Angel Nadal, is a retired professional footballer who played for our CD Mallorca, FC Barcelona, and the Spanish national team. As a child, he idolized Ronaldo and was given access through his uncle to the Barcelona team dressing room to have a photo taken with the Brazilian. Another uncle, tennis coach Tony Nadal, introduced him to tennis when he was 3 years old. Nadal started to play tennis at the Manacor Tennis Club, where Tony worked as a coach, hitting his first few shots with his uncle. At this stage, Nadal's passion was football, which he often played on the streets of Manacor with his friends. He began to play tennis more regularly when he was 5. Tony quickly realized that his young nephew had both the passion and talent to be a serious player. Nadal often played tennis in a group, but Tony singled him out during sessions, shouting at him instead of the other kids and making him pick up the balls and sweep the courts. In his 2011 autobiography, he admitted fearing Tony and dreading solo practice sessions with him. Nadal admitted he sometimes returned home from tennis lessons crying. At age 8, Nadal won an under-12 regional tennis championship while also being a promising football player. This victory inspired Tony to train Nadal more intensively. After studying Nadal's two-handed forehand, Tony encouraged him to play left-handed for a natural advantage on the tennis court. The transition was purportedly difficult for Nadal, but he was coached through the change by his uncle, who instructed him to try it for 20 minutes per day before gradually increasing that time until he was fully adjusted. Personal life. In June 2009, reports emerged that Nadal's parents, Ana Maria and Sebastian, had separated following weeks of speculation about his recent struggles on the court. Nadal later stated, "My parents' divorce made an important change in my life. It affected me. After that, I couldn't play Wimbledon. It was tough." Nadal met his future wife, Maria Francisca Mary Perello Pascual, through his younger sister, Maria Isabel. They began dating in 2005 when he was 19 and she was 17, and only formalized their relationship publicly in 2007, with their engagement reported in January 2019. In October 2019, the couple was married at the La Fortaleza Castle in Port de Palenque, Majorca. On the 8th of October 2022, they had their first child, a son. Nadal had previously commented on not starting a family early and expressed a desire to have children in the future, reflecting on the unpredictability of life during his ongoing tennis career. On the 7th of August 2025, the couple welcomed their second son. Mary Perello was a sports marketer in London, but as she saw Nadal's career getting bigger, she decided to help his off-court business. She now serves as the director of Foundation Rafa Nadal. Nadal was raised a Catholic, but now identifies as an agnostic atheist. Nadal's native languages are Spanish and Balearic Catalan. He speaks conversational English. When Nadal was aged 10 to 21, the extended Nadal family shared a 5-story, family-owned apartment building in Manacor. In 2012, Nadal purchased a house in Porto Cristo for about €4 million, located near his family home. Around the time he won the 2012 French Open, Nadal acquired a vacation home, a 2-story villa in Playa Nueva Romana in the Dominican Republic, for about €2 million. As a young boy, he would run home from school to watch his favorite Japanese anime, Dragon Ball, and CNN dubbed him the Dragon Ball of tennis for his unorthodox style. Off the court, his sister described him as a bit of a scaredy cat. Since childhood, he has had a fear of the dark, preferring to sleep with a light or television on. Nadal is afraid of deep water, dogs, and thunderstorms, and is nervous about riding a bicycle. Despite playing tennis left-handed, Nadal is right-handed in other activities. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 vlogs.